To reset one of the service intervals, first you need to turn on the ignition. After the service reminder disappears, press and hold the cluster button until you reach the service menu. For each service interval, you will see if it's possible or not to reset. Go to the interval you want to reset and press the button longer. To confirm the reset, press and hold the button until the service interval is reset. To exit this menu, turn off the ignition. Thank you for watching. If it was useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I will try to answer all of you.